Hello YouTube, this is Ben the Brick Builder here with another MOC showcase. Today I don't actually have a Star Wars MOC, but this is a medieval-ish MOC. I'd use it in medieval MOCs, so I guess I'll consider it medieval. But it is a little ship. I don't know how else to describe it, but let's get into it. It's actually too big to fit in my frame, even if I've extended my stand upward and stuff. It's pretty tall. I'll do some closer up views. You can fit at least 2 guys in there. Maybe 3 if you push them in really far. Or in a lot. So it's one of those ships that has like this part that's attached on the side, and it's like stability or something. I had this like canoe that had this on it, and I just added a bunch of things to it to make it this. I'm actually gonna get the minifigures out because they're a little in the way. I want to show you it all. I just got jumper plates in there for them to stand on. I got this little thing that goes out. The rope goes all the way up. And then there's a bracket piece that's got a clip on it that attaches it up there, and then it goes all the way down. There's lanterns on the front and back, and then these flags. This is very clearly a ally of red, the red colored army, or they are red. I don't know, even though they have blue. And then I used the same techniques that they did in the Ninjago ship. That's where I got the sail. And then there's a little railing on this side that I've put a shield on, and then there's a sword. There's some cargo stuff on this. There's a couple backpacks, and then this thing. I don't know what the significance of the grass piece in there is. I don't even know when I put that in there. And then I've got this little ramp thing that's how they would get onto to the ship, where they could stand on this. And then I've got 2 backpacks attached to it. That was pretty hard to get in there. They're put in, and then there's a bar with a couple of bushings between it to wedge them in. I thought of doing it on this side, but that would have been a lot of effort, and I didn't feel like doing that. Oh wait, one more thing. Or a couple more things. You got this string, and then you can actually wrap it around this pole a little, and then stick this stud on it, so that it would like hold the mast or whatever. And then you can also, I put the mast on one of those round jumpers that has a hole all the way through and a bar, so I could turn it. Let me show you from the front. And then there's actually a lot of friction, and it's attached really well. If I attached it to a normal jumper, it wouldn't stay. But there's a jumper and a bar keeping it in. I think I'm gonna build a couple more boats, and then, or probably one more boat, and then I'll use the preformed boat, and then I'll see if it floats. So I don't want to do a will it float for just this thing, despite this boat being freaking amazing. If you are new and you liked this video and you want to see more like it, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you want to see more castle stuff and just other Star Wars stuff, make sure you tell me that in the comments and leave a like on the video. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.